Hi, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of Lobsters, the little crab one. So yeah, I'm guessing this is one of the accessories, charms or charm accessories. Yeah, not really sure, but let's go ahead and try to take a look at this and figure it out along the way. So here's our main little character. He has a little crab. I kind of like how they combine it where it's like a humanoid kind of person, and then they actually have like an actual crab here. Just on the side here, these parts are rubber. The rest is all hard plastic, and the eyes are kind of a rubbery part, but everything else is hard plastic. I don't know, just kind of looks weird, kind of like something almost Kamen Rider-ish. For like, maybe Kamen Rider, either Kabuto, which I know those were like insects, or I guess they did have crab in Kamen Rider Ryuki, which over here in America is called Kamen Rider Dragon Knight. So, Dragon Knight, Kabuto, Ryuki, / Gaim going on. So you got like 3 or 4 different Kamen Rider series going on. But here's the keys. Now all of them has like the same little, I don't know if you can see that, but like that little part right there. Both of them had the same thing. Both of them appear to be a little crab for the little face on here. Crabs, just one's got a pink string with yellow, one's blue with that. Still don't know what the heck this thing is. Could be the little charm, but it's a little fish. I guess yes, we can see that it's little rock pow, I guess it's called. I'm not exactly sure what it is. That kind of looks like a donut, but that's not a donut. Because it looks like it'll go this way, because there's like the mouth and there's the eye, but they want you to go this way, which, yeah. And then so you get 2 accessories. Oh, I think the other accessories in here maybe. Which, hey, guess what? It just swings open, so you don't even need to insert the key to lock it. I mean, yeah, there's a keyhole, but what's the point of a keyhole when you could just, you know, open it like that? And now this one does not open and close for a lot, because as you can see, one side piece, one piece. Yep. Remember one piece. If not, go lift it up. Let's take a look at the old instruction sheet here. So I guess these are our main lots, I'm guessing. So we have lot 218. Which is this little crab one. Although there is no names, there's just, hey, these are all the ones to quit. So 2, which means series 2. 18, it's 18 out of the 24 lots to quit, and yeah. Now this side, it's kind of weird. There's 2 well here, but there's like this one says 2. 1.5, 2.5. So I'm not really sure what the, I know 2 stands for series 2, there's 24.5 to correct. Don't know what the points, I guess they mean because they're like half the size of this one. is what I am guessing. And this one is 3.5. So right there is this one. Whoop, whoop. See? So these are the mystery lot fitters, and the other ones are just the main character. So let's insert this and all the way, and then what the heck? Oh, okay. This one does open up, and it has a little footer underneath there. So this one you do have to push the key all the way in and then give it a good little twist, as you can see right there. So it opens up two ways. It opens up both the top way here, so you could take your little buddy and let your little mystery light in there, and then it contains our little surprise, which our little surprise is a little tomato. So yes, we actually got our little fruit in here, a little tomato fruit. Which, if you don't know, tomatoes are fruits, not vegetables. So yes, we got a tomato fruit, not a vegetable. So we got a fruit and a fish for charm accessories. A lot pile is right over here, which does nothing, and then we have that. So I don't know why I did that. Let me do that. And you can put the keys on here, but yeah, I guess when the keys are on it, you still could unlock it. So it's not like, which they gave you plenty of cord to do that. So that's pretty cool. And let's just close that. So let's kind of get everything somewhat in focus here. Which I know some of these things don't really want to show up too good on camera. So yeah, that's what you get in here. Your, I guess, checklist, if you want to call it. Yeah, there is a lot check things. And look how they did the little check things. They made it like a little lot. You know, hole. So, little lock keyhole. So you have a checklist, your main lock fitter that holds a storage compartment in there for one of the accessories. Your mini little mystery lock character fitter, what do they call that thing? Lock POW. So your main lock, your lock POW, 2 keys, and 2 charm accessories. So yeah, I mean, for $1 at a dollar store, yeah, I'm gonna say it's okay, it's worth it. For about the $7.99 to about $10 price points that I've seen them at Walmart going for, no. So Walmart between the $7.99 and $10 price range, or $9.99, let's run out to about $10 for this. No, there should have been a little bit more to it for $7 to $10 price range. For $1 at dollar store, oh yeah, it's perfect for $1 at dollar store. Are you actually going to be any good lots to like lot your stuff like backpacks or anything? Go through TSA? Nope. They're just fun little things to collect. Well, your keys to them? No, I wouldn't say keychain, but maybe a backpack charm accessory or something like that. Probably. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks. Bye.